Dear viewers, you may have noticed that you often see such pictures on social media, where there are images with a face. These faces are either very clear or they are shown with their eyes slightly closed. Guess what? These are not the ones that artists spend months making. Instead, they are made by AI with just one click. Today I'll tell you how to make such images. For your convenience, I have given the link of AI website in the description. Click on it. This link will get you here and we have to upload our image here. For illustration, we take an image from Google. I download the first image and come back to the website again. To upload the image, click on Upload, select the image, and open it. Go down a little bit and change it to like this. Again, go down a little bit. Here you have to type the detail of your desired image. So I write here, sea, sunset, and tree. Here you have to change low to high, and finally, you have to click on Run. Sometimes, it takes 5 to 10 minutes because there is a lot of load and traffic on this website. Viewers, while this image is generated, please like the video. For this tool to work, you don't need to have a PC, you can generate it from your mobile as well. You can see, our picture has been generated. Let's download it. You can see, it has generated an amazing picture. You can also add these amazing effects to your videos, and don't forget to tell me in the comments how you like this amazing tool. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you soon. Till then, bye.